So today we're doing some overnight camping at our local state park. We're doing some Jeep camping, so we're pretty excited. This is our first time and all, so let's see how it goes.
Okay guys, so this is my setup so far. Nothing too fancy here. I just got a foam top layer, which is what I'm gonna sleep on. I got the firewood, cooking essentials, a little cooler for drinks and meats, and lastly I got a bag to house camping miscellaneous gear like tarps, hammocks, ropes, etc. But I'll get to that later because this guy's ready to go on an adventure, so let's roll.
Alright, Marley set. I'm set. Let's go. This looks like a cool little big group campground, so fun times. You can't see it on screen, but you can see the lake through the trees and it looks really nice. I'm glad we made this trip. Right, bud? Right, bud? Jerk. Yeah, you. Alright, so we're gonna go check the lake out. See how neat it is. Have a drink, bud. Wow. Okay, come on. Ooh, off the beaten path trail. Chill, bud, over here. What was that? Oh. Yes. You follow it this way, and then you'll reach the sidewalk.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, I just took it down, so you'll be fine. Thanks.
Wow.
Ready, bud? Let's go. Would you look at that? Oh my gosh, that's deer. Hey guys, what's up guys? What's up? Yeah buddy, that's deer. What's up fellas? We just walking. We're just walking. Oh man, that's the closest I've ever come to deer. What a trip. He's still looking at me. Go out. Thanks, dear. Now that's a spot. Right, bud. Chill spot. Sundown. Yeah. This is Marley on water. Oh. Yeah, bud. Ooh. Ooh. What's up, guys? So I found this great chill spot. Gonna post up here, watch the sunset. Yeah, then I'm gonna make some fajitas later. Can't beat fajitas, guys. Yeah. Right, bud. Right, bud. Yeah. Alright, guys, it's time to cook because I'm getting hungry. Let's see. Let's get into the bag. I'm gonna need that. Cutting board. Skillet. Let's go. Today, packing light, my friends. Super light. Fajita, Coke, drink. Yeah. Woo. Check them out, son. Now that's some fajita. Tortilla. Oof. Oof. Look at that. Right, bud. Right, bud. Yeah. Alright, guys, so first camp sesh went pretty great. The fajitas were awesome. So our tummies are happy. We're already in the Jeep, posted up, getting ready for bed. Marley had a long day, right, buddy? Right, buddy? Oh, he's tired. He's tired. He's like, shut the camera. Turn off the light. Alright, guys. We're gonna go to sleep, so deuces.